Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. I've got another one in here on the workbench. I just finished doing some updates on it, giving it a little bit more strength around the wing. I put a strip here and a strip on this side here, and I put two strips of wood in the middle. This takes a 1300 milliamp uh, 3 cell battery. This is the Gentle Lady, and when I built this plane, I put an electric motor on it. First couple of flights I've done, it really flies like it's really, really light. So my answer was to kind of give it a little bit more weight. And I think flying with a little bit more weight helps out a lot with an airplane, especially. So this now has a little bit more weight to it, a little bit more. Um, it's pretty well balanced. I can say so myself. Um, I'm going to keep the plane the way it is as you see it now. I'm not going to do anything more to it, but I just wanted to make sure that it has more weight. It's got some scuffs on the bottom and things like that. Typical stuff for an airplane, for a glider like this. But you will be seeing more videos after my last two glider videos. They've come out great, especially with the new camera. You can see a whole lot more, and and you guys can see that why glider flying is so enjoyable for me. I hope to be able to take a chair with me next time to sit down. That 10-minute flight had to be cut down on a video. I did a 10-minute flight with my Aspen, and I had to cut the video down to 7 minutes. The flight would have kept on going, and I kept trying to bring it back down. But yep, this summer is going to be good flying weather. Summertime is a great time to fly gliders. Got good thermals, good reaction to them, and this one in particular has a really beautiful wing to it. So again, stay tuned. More to come. More to come with the gliders. I hope to maybe build another one. I really am looking around for plans for one. I don't know which one I'm going to build yet, but I have four gliders in my uh, in my collection, including the ASW glider that's crashed. I have to fix that one up, but I hope to be able to build another one. I really like building gliders; they're a lot of fun. So, again, stay tuned. More to come. Model Man Frank out.